भगवान को लगते प्यारे।
कर दो दूर प्रभु, हुआ मन में अंधेरा है। कर दो दूर प्रभु, हुआ मन में अंधेरा है। जब से तेरी लगन लगी, हुआ मन में सवेरा है। जब से तेरी लगन लगी, हुआ मन में सवेरा है। अपनों से बिछड़ के हम दुनिया से दूर हुए। अब आन मिलो भगवन, आए हैं शरण तेरे। कर दो दूर प्रभु, हुआ मन में अंधेरा है। जब से तेरी लगन लगी, हुआ मन
Through the city with a little funky sound. So I'ma light it up like dynamite.
When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back, 'cause with all that has happened I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave.
I am not a thief, but I could steal one thing from the time. It would be my child. Good morning to all. Today is the auspicious occasion of Children's Day, which is celebrated in all of us. As we all agree, new children are the bright sunshine of the society, the seeds of the plant that will nurture of country's future. So, on behalf of all the teachers and management of Little Flower School, welcome you all to this particular event. My mother tells me about it, and I also remember a bit. The time when I was too innocent, the time which was super and excellent. I used to play with my toy, and my life filled with happiness and joy. Life was then exciting and alluring, but now it is becoming boring. I could not forget those days of mine in darkness of my life, like the jewels they all shine. By chance, due to good deeds of mine, if God will ask me for my wish at any time, I will wish become smart and good. But my first preference will be my childhoods. The Children's Day the Children's Day is celebrated all over the world to cheer and adore the innocence of children, like you, to make you feel special role in the world and show you the positive side of being a child. In India, Children's Day celebrate on 14 November, which is also considered to be a birth anniversary of our first loving Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Lovingly call him Chacha Nehru also. Once again, a cheerful Children's Day and is here we go to pass you a abundant loves, wishes, and some fun and loads of blessing from your teachers. Thank you.
What is life without children? Like a world without the sun, stars, and moon, blessed are the ones who have children. Shower or your love on them. My beloved children of classes 1 to 10, and all the children of this country, we, the staff management of Little Flower, is here to wish you a very happy Children's Day. My beloved children, today on this special day, I wanted to tell you only 2 points. That is, you are a gift, yes, a precious gift of your parents. A precious gift to Little Flower School, a precious gift to this society. You know the gift, not the size, nor the color, not what is inside matters, but how you are taking care. On this day, I wanted to say, you are wrapped in a very beautiful shining purpose. And inside this, God has kept His own image and likeness, that is, peace, love, joy, and kindness. Be a good human person. Be a good, accepting child in the society. And second, I wanted to say, you are a blessing. Yes, my beloved children, you are a blessing to your parents, a blessing to our school, and blessing to the society. Here I remember, once I visited one of our students' house. A mother was making a comment. Really, sister, I wanted to say, I'm proud of my child. I'm not worthy to be her mother. This shows how noble is that person. Oh, beloved children, try to be the persons, the children who are going to be known as great persons. Your footprints, your signature, your name should be remembered even if you are not here. Yes, once again, I wish you a very happy Children's Day, and I want to say that children are the gifts of God. Let them fly with their thoughts. Happy Children's Day. May God bless you.
ଶିଶୁଟିଏ ବୋଲି ଭାବ ନାହିଁ ତାକୁ, ଶିଶୁ କେବେ ନୁହେଁ ନିସ୍ୱ। ଶିଶୁଟି ଭିତରେ ଲୁଚି ରହିଅଛି ଏକ ଏକ ମହାବିଶ୍ୱ। ଆଦରଣୀୟ ମୋର ସ୍ନେହର ଶିଶୁଗଣ, ଆଜିକାର ପବିତ୍ର ସ୍ମରଣୀୟ ଦିବସରେ ଲିଟିଲ୍ ଫ୍ଲାୱାର ସ୍କୁଲର ସମସ୍ତ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଶିକ୍ଷୟିତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ତରଫରୁ ସମସ୍ତ ଶିଶୁଙ୍କୁ ସସ୍ନେହ ଅଭିନନ୍ଦନ। ଆଜି ନଭେମ୍ବର 14 ତାରିଖ। ଏହି ଦିବସଟି ଭାରତବାସୀଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗର୍ବ, ଗୌରବ ଏବଂ ସ୍ମରଣୀୟର ଦିବସ। ଆଜି ଭଳି ପବିତ୍ର ଦିବସରେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ଭାରତର ପ୍ରଥମ ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ପଣ୍ଡିତ ଜବାହରଲାଲ ନେହେରୁ ଜନ୍ମଗ୍ରହଣ କରିଥିଲେ 1899 ମସିହାରେ। ସେ ଚାଚା ନେହେରୁ ଭାବରେ ସର୍ବତ୍ର ସୁବିଦିତ। ଯଦିଓ ସେ ବିଳାସ ବ୍ୟସନରେ ଜୀବନ ବିତାଉଥିଲେ, तथापि तांक हृदय रे शिशु भली कोमलता ओ सरलता थिला। से पिलामानक सहित खेलिबा पई भल पाउथिले। तेणु से लिखिछंती मरिबाकू चाहे मुहि तुमर भवने बंचिबाकू चाहे शिशु मानक गहणे। पिलामानकू से खूब भल पाउथिले। तांकर धारणा थिला शिशु हसिले जगत हसिबो। पिलामानक प्रति एई अगाध स्नेह जोगु तांकर जन्म दिवसटुकु शिशु जन्म दिवस भावरे पालन करा जाए। पंडित नेहरू भारतर सामग्रिक विकास में बहु कार्य करि जाइछंती। तांकर कार्य दक्षता थिला असंभव धरणर। दीर्घ 17 वर्ष काल भारतर प्रधानमंत्री रूपे दायित्व ग्रहण करी अभूतपूर्व सफलता लाभ करिछंती। तांक जोगु विश्व दरबार रे भारतर सम्मान वृद्धि पाइछि। 1964 मसीहा मे मास 27 तारीख रे एही महामानवक स्वर्गवास होइथिला।
के पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची थी। धन्यवाद। धन्यवाद।
मैया यशोदा ये तेरा कन्हैया। मैया
This song is totally dedicated for my lovely, dear, precious children. I hope you will enjoy it. A very happy Children's Day to all of you. Lali, 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 lali. कौशल्या मैं तेरी तू मेरा राम, तेरी यशोदा मैं तू मेरा श्याम, मेरा ये कंधे अयोध्या तेरी, मन मेरा है वृंदावन तेरा धाम। कौशल्या मैं तेरी तू मेरा राम, तेरी यशोदा मैं तू मेरा श्याम। बादल से झलकी है वो बूंद तू, जो सीत में ढल के मोती ही बने, वो भोर की पहली लाली है जो बन के किरण जग की ज्योति ही बने। तुझसे मिला मुझको जीवन नया, जीवन ये मेरा है अब तेरे नाम। कौशल्या मैं तेरी तू मेरा राम, तेरी यशोदा मैं तू मेरा श्याम। लाली 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 लाली।
मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के, बैठा दिया पलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के। मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के, बैठा दिया पलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के। यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना। तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना। मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है कभी दूर तो न जाए, तेरे बिना वो जीना वो दिन कभी न आए। मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है कभी दूर तू न जाए, तेरे बिना वो जीना वो दिन कभी न आए। तेरे संग जीना यार, तेरे संग मर जाना। याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना। तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना। याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना। Wish you all a happy Children's Day.
말하고 싶어 오늘은 너도 알고 싶어.
Good morning everyone. My name is Preciv Jain, class 2, section C. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India, and so he was a great speaker and writer and get Indian freedom fighter. He gave the famous slogan आराम हराम है. His pet name was Chacha Nehru. He loved kids, and that's why on his birthday, 14 November, we celebrate Children's Day. Thank you.
नमस्ते. आज बाल दिवस है. हमारे प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री श्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी का आज जन्मदिन है. वो हम बच्चों से बहुत प्यार करते हैं, इसलिए इस दिन हर साल बाल दिवस मनाया जाता है. तो हम बच्चे भी उनसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. हैप्पी चिल्ड्रन डे टू ऑल. जय हिंद.
Hello everyone, my name is Jasri Chan, class 4 section C. बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग की आँख के तारे, ये वो नन्हे फूल हैं जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे. बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, खुद रूठे खुद मन जाए, फिर हम जोली बन जाए. खुद रूठे खुद मन जाए, फिर हम जोली बन जाए. झगड़ा जिसके साथ करे, अगले पल ही बात करे.
Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hating, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
The earth reveals the innocence through the smiles of children. A very warm wish for all the children on this special day. On this great day, I am here to congratulate all the ex-students of LFS who have secured great achievement for the NEET exam, especially the shining stars of this year. Saumesh Shubham Sarangi, Biplav Kamari, Aryan Nayak, Som Prakash Sahu. Today is a proper day to tell you this on clearing your NEET exam, as it is a pinnacle of success. It's been a long hard road, but you accomplished your goal and passed the exam. Education is not like a filling a pail, but lighting a fire. Explore, discover, dream. New place to go, new things to try, and new people to meet. It is yet another important juncture of your life, as you will have to decide where you would pursue further studies. We wish and pray that may God bless you in your future studies. We, the family of LFS, wish you a hearty congratulations once again. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Good luck for more excellent achievement. May God bless you all. Thank you.
ख्यालों में, ख्यालों में, ख्यालों में
हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं, हम तेरे तेरे जान वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं, हम तेरे तेरे जान वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं। ये गोरे गला दंदाना, ये रेशमी वाला दंदाना, ये सोना वाला दंदाना, है तेरे ख्याला दंदाना। ये गोरे गला दंदाना, ये रेशमी वाला दंदाना, ये सोना वाला दंदाना, है तेरे ख्याला दंदाना। हम तेरे 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 जान वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं, हम तेरे 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 जान वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं। गीता का बता चुथा लगी, चला जैसे मस्त शराबी, हाथ रंग में रंगी, हमें बना गई है तंदाना, सूरत से अजीब है तंदाना, और भी नस्ल है तंदाना, ये तेरे करीब है तंदाना। हमें बना गई है तंदाना, सूरत से अजीब है तंदाना, और भी नस्ल है तंदाना, ये तेरे करीब है तंदाना। हम तेरे 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 जान वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं, हम तेरे 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 जान वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं। We wish you a happy Children's Day.
Renowned author and critic William Butler Yeats once very popularly said that gratitude is the noblest and the most reciprocable of human emotions I have ever known. The more you're grateful for things that you already have, the more you are going to have things that you are going to be grateful for. A pleasant day to one and all. This is Nishtha Mishra, ASPL of Little Flower School, and I'm here today to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one who did their own bit in making this already eventful day for children all the more extravagant. I would straight away begin by thanking Reverend Principal Sister Lissy, Reverend Vice Principal Sister Gigi, respected administrators Sister Marilena, along with the entire school management for having conducted this brilliant online Children's Day celebration. Ahead, a big thanks to all of our teachers who carried their own bit and did their own responsibility to make this great day for us all the more special and colorful. And further, a big thanks to all of the viewers, all of you watching this video today and having taken out a special portion of your own time in watching today's video. And on a concluding note, I thank each and every one once again. Thank you very much.